Dwayne Wells is president of the Gleaners Food Bank, the largest food distribution organization in Detroit. He spoke to the World Socialist Web Site about the sharp rise in the demand for emergency food aid in the city.
We have about 420 partner agencies ranging from large organizations like the Salvation Army, the Capuchin Soup Kitchen, Lighthouse of Oakland County, down to smaller community-based or faith-based organizations that would serve their particular community or program or congregation. Last year we distributed over 25 million pounds through that network of agencies. It works out to about 40 tons distributed per day that we're open.
It's an enormous amount of food.
It is absolutely, and growing.
Has there been a change in need over the past period?
There certainly has been. Most of our partner agencies are noting significant increases. Certainly those in some of our the more outlying areas of our service area are noting increased numbers of people coming to them. Many first-time people coming to them looking for assistance. Working poor, more seniors, just people who are having trouble sort of making ends meet, and therefore not able to meet the food needs for themselves or their families.
You said the working poor. You know, people who are working but they can't, their income is just not enough to meet the needs of their family.
So if you're a senior, for instance, that may be on a fixed income or seeing some slight rises, but if you factor in the increases in utility costs and transportation costs and medical costs, if they're on that, there's typically for those folks not enough money left toward the end of the month to help them purchase food and other things that they need, and that's where Gleaners and our partners come in. Again, if you look at some of the outlying areas in, out Wayne, Macomb, Livingston counties, this is where we're seeing a lot of first-time people who are having to rely on the emergency food system for perhaps the first time. Perhaps they are in a job transition where they are unemployed and their unemployment benefits have run out, or they have transitioned to new employment that might be at a less wage, so they're sort of downsizing their family, but in the process of doing that they have real immediate food needs that, again, our partners in those areas are attempting to meet. So
the layoffs in Detroit, layoffs in the auto industry especially have had a big impact.
Absolutely, the auto, and then, of course, that trickles down to other industries that either rely directly or indirectly on those individuals and those jobs.
There was a Free Press article last Sunday that reported that there's been a 53% increase in the use of food stamps in the metropolitan Detroit area. I mean, it's an enormous increase.
It absolutely is. And yeah, getting the outreach to those people. And again, many of those are people that have never had to rely on food stamps or public assistance or the assistance of our partners before.